Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Hyper-V error. External Ethernet adapter is already bound to the Microsoft Virtual Switch protocol. Sometimes it becomes very important to use, so don't forget to watch full video. When you get this type of error message, you have to check your physical network adapter that can be selected on Hyper-V extensible virtual switch. You have to uncheck it and hopefully your problem will be solved. Okay, now I am going to show you how to solve this issue. Right click on network icon of the lower left corner of your taskbar. Click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down. Click on Change Adapter option. Now right click on Ethernet. This is my physical network adapter. Okay, right click on it and click on Properties. Now scroll down. Look, the Hyper-V extensible virtual switch is enabled here. Okay, now uncheck it and click on OK. It may disconnect you from internet, then it will connect you to internet again. It will take 2 or 3 seconds only. Okay, now close this window and close this window also. Now go to Hyper-V Manager. Now I am trying to create a virtual external switch. Okay, click on Virtual Switch Manager, select External and then click Create Virtual Switch. Now in External Network, just click on drop down menu and select your physical network adapter. Now click on, you can change the name of your virtual network adapter. I am going to change the name as X virtual switch so that I can understand that this is my external virtual switch. Okay, now click on Apply. Click on OK to continue. This is just a notification. Click on Yes. Now look, the virtual external switch has been created. Now click on OK. Close this window. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.